This is called as the series. This is what is series, x1 x2 x3, ठीक है. और ऐसे फिर करंट ये होगा. These are the important things. Secondly, children, if they are in parallel, how they will be like this. So it will be x1 x2 x3, and then it is connected to battery or cell via key. Now you have to use your brains. See, I have drawn the diagram in front of you so that you can understand it. हाँ, अभी इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोला है करंट I flows through x1 x2 x3. करंट I, same I. So I will be same here or here. This is my first diagram. Second diagram. सेम करंट किस में पास होगा? डायग्राम 1 में जाएगा कि डायग्राम 2 में जाएगा?
1.
Yes, correct. So what is that called as? Now it will be a series combination. So answer of this will be the series combination. Right, now second question. X is larger than x1, x2 and x3. Resultant x. So series में कैसे होता है? Series में you have x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3, and in parallel you have 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 plus 1 upon x3. Right? This is the effective resistance. So what you want x to be larger. X to be larger than x1, x2, x3. तो किस में होगा?
Series.
Again in the series, because series it gets added up na. So second answer is also series combination. Third one, x is smaller than x1, x2 and x3. छोटा.
Parallel.
Then it will be parallel. Good. Fourth one, the potential difference across x1, x2, x3 is the same. Voltage, that is potential difference is same. किसके अंदर potential difference same होता है? Series and parallel, both the things are there. This and this both are there. What do you think? Potential difference, I hope you know. See this part. This was the diagram of the parallel. और सीरीज में क्या था? ऐसे अलग अलग था. Right? So what do you think? You have to tell me. किसके अंदर वोल्टेज सेम रहेगा?
Parallel.
Parallel. Good. Fifth one. They want the answer x to be x1 plus x2 plus x3. किस में आता है?
Series.
Very good. It is in series. Correct. And sixth one, you want x to be equal to 1 upon
Parallel.
1 upon x2 plus 1 upon x3. Yes, that is in parallel. So the question was very easy once the diagram is there in front of you. So children, if you want, you can just take a screenshot now presently of this board where I have explained you the diagram. Now let's go towards the sums. The resistance of 1 meter long nichrome wire is 6 ohm. If we reduce the length of wire to 70 centimeter, what will be its resistance? So let us write down the data. So what is the length of the wire? 1 meter. Correct? And its resistance is 6 ohm. If we reduce the length of the wire to 70, so now new length is now 60 centimeter, right? No, sorry, 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter. Convert into meter, it will be 0.7 meter. Right? 70 upon 100 na? What will be its resistance? So you have to find out what is R2 for it. So how will you go about? See the formula what we had, children. We have R is equal to rho L upon A. So apply this to both. Okay. So you will be having R1 is equal to rho into L1 upon A1. Right? And R2 is equal to rho L2 upon A2. Now children, here we have A1 equal to A2 because the length जो वायर है, ये वायर है, ठीक है, उसको बीच में से ऐसे 1 मीटर का था, उसको थोड़ा सा काट दिया, तो लेकिन ये जो एरिया हुआ वो तो सेम ही रहेगा ना, बिकॉज द सेम वायर वॉज देयर. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Because we have just reduced the length, so I am going to have this way. So now if you take the ratio R1 upon R2, it will be rho L1 upon A divided by rho L2 upon A. So rho L1 upon A multiplied by, come on, अभी A ऊपर जाएगा और rho और L2 नीचे आएगा. Division is multiplication by its reciprocal. So now this rho and rho will get cancelled. This A will also get cancelled. You will be left with L1 upon L2. Correct? So R1 upon R2 is equal to L1 is how much? 1 meter. And L2 is how much? 0.7 meter. Correct? And R1 given 6 also, na? So we'll write down 6. We substitute all the values. So what is R2? So therefore R2 will be equal to, R2 को उस तरफ लेके जाओ, right? मैं वहाँ पे लिखती हूँ, R2 को इस तरफ लिखती हूँ, and here I am going to take 6 into 0.7 upon 1. Correct? That will be R2. So what is the answer? 6 sevens are 42. So 4.2 ohm is equal to your R2. Got it?